everyone, welcome back to my vlog. After a beautiful stay in Hanoi, we're off to a luxury cruise in Ha Bay.
Hello, we are waiting for the cruise. We had a very early morning. After breakfast we packed our stuff and now we are waiting to be picked up.
Yep. और बैग आप पहले ही पैक कर सकते हैं जल्दी से। सुबह सुबह उठ के नाश्ता करके आपको 9 बजे पहुंचना है। ये हमारे बैग्स आ गए हैं, अब ये रख लेंगे हनी और हमारे बैग ले।
Do you have a passport, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you, Leo. We'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, have a nice trip, please.
When you book a cruise for Ha Bay, pickup from the hotel is included in the package.
Hello, we are going for the tour. Bus has come and picked us up. It will be a 3.5 hour journey and we get to see beautiful Hanoi, Vietnam on the way.
और ये हलोंग बे के लिए जो बस है वो आ गई है। 9:30 बजे पिकअप करा है, थोड़ा 10 मिनट लेट हुआ पर ठीक है। और अब हम हनोई शहर के अंदर ही हैं और अभी निकल रहे हैं हलोंग बे के लिए।
We're going to pass by Circle K now, an extremely affordable supermarket where we bought all our supplies from. If you're in Hanoi on a budget, be sure to shop from here.
पासपोर्ट वगैरह की ज़रूरत है, इसे पहले ही निकाल के रखें वरना लास्ट में इन लोगों की तरह आपको ढूंढना पड़ सकता है। आप बैग होटल पे छोड़ सकते हैं जैसे हमने छोड़ा है, या फिर आप अपने बैग को साथ भी ला सकते हैं। ये अब एक और पिकअप हुआ है टायरेंट होटल में से।
During the bus ride, the transport manager kept us entertained and laughing throughout the journey with fun facts and interactive quizzes. Not a single minute of the journey was boring.
And the city is too small, and the government blocked the river. For river go outside and push the city for bigger.
The bus stops midway for a 20-minute pit stop where you can pick up snacks and beverages for the cruise and also use the restroom, etc.
वेज वालों को तो ऐसी जगह आके बहुत ही भूखा रहना पड़ेगा। ऐसी बात नहीं है, ऑप्शंस कम है।
So I got Lipton tea, which is Indian masala chai.
इंडियन मसाला चाय मिल गई यहाँ पर। We have Saigon, and then we have some चटर पटर। 1.5 लाख रुपए का ही है, मतलब 1.5 लाख डोंग का।
सिर्फ 200 रुपए की Toblerone, बताओ इतनी बड़ी।
Snacks, beverages and beer are available on the cruise as well, but if you want to save money, then buy them beforehand at a cheap supermarket. You can see the beautiful scenery changing into a seascape as we get closer to the harbour. Ha Bay is a beautiful natural wonder in northern Vietnam. It is known for its emerald green waters and thousands of towering limestone islands topped by rainforests. एक बार डबल चेक कर लो, कुछ भूले तो नहीं। After reaching the harbour, we were guided towards the boat which would take us to our ship. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to reach the cruise ship. During the ride, safety instructions and the keys to our respective rooms are given out. Depending on your budget, there are a lot of options of cruises to choose from in Ha Bay. We booked ourselves Sapphire Cruise, a luxury cruise ship. There are many options of rooms available on this ship, from deluxe cabins to suites, with each and every room having their own private sea view balcony and jacuzzi, so we went ahead and booked ourselves a suite. Before we go to our rooms, we were welcomed with a welcome drink and a briefing about our stay aboard this beautiful ship. The view from the restaurant is breathtaking. The ship keeps moving inwards towards the bay, so the landscape around keeps changing constantly. This is the route that most of the cruises take. You constantly see the magical landscape go by. The ship takes you through the famous Da Chong Islet, Ku Wan area, Lan Ha Bay and Katba Island until it docks at its sleeping place deep inside the bay. Now it's time to go to our amazing suite on the top floor of the ship.
408. Crazy. चलो, यही तो मैंने देख लिया था. आ जाओ, बोलो इसको.
The suite has a huge bedroom with 2 beds, a dining area, a minibar, a bathroom with tub, complimentary wine, few waters and some local fruits and many more amenities. We also had a huge sea view private balcony surrounding our entire room all to ourselves.
This is the room. Life jackets, complimentary wine, red wine.
Cruise में इतना बड़ा room है.
So this is our room in the suite. It's huge. It's bigger than any balcony we have. The balcony is bigger than any balcony we've ever had so far. No matter which room you stay in, the cruise ship was absolutely beautiful. You get a sea view from any room that you stay in.
One boat is tugging along. आ जाओ Annie, let's sit.
It's lunchtime now, so we're headed to the restaurant for a 5-course meal. All the meals aboard your cruise are included in the package and prepaid. Please keep in mind that the cruise follows set timings according to the itinerary. So try to be on time for everything.
लंच के लिए जाया जा रहा है. वेजिटेरियन के लिए देखते हैं क्या ऑप्शन है.
The lunch is a set 5-course menu. During the bus ride, they will make sure to ask you if you are a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, and all your meals will be prepared accordingly. So vegetarians, do not worry.
वेजिटेरियन pumpkin soup बहुत अच्छा है. fried oyster and vegetarian dumplings. Let's see how it is. Vegetarian बहुत ही अच्छा था. And how was oyster?
Awesome.
It was awesome as well. Halong Bay is passing. Third course, vegetarian spring rolls and another spring roll. We are busy in taking pictures. Now we'll eat it and see how it is. Amazing, super good. खत्म भी हो गया है ये. बहुत टेस्टी. Vegetarians के लिए तो बहुत ही मज़े हैं. How was yours?
Amazing. बहुत ही अच्छा.
Means आ गए. Tofu and chicken. ये है vegetarian. Tofu. Mashed potato. वेज के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है ये.
After an amazing lunch, we are off to Lan Ha Bay to explore its natural karst and limestone formations. The crystal clear waters of this UNESCO World Heritage Site are best explored by kayaking and swimming in it. If you haven't been kayaking before, don't worry. The crew gives you instructions and tips beforehand, and you're also wearing a life jacket. Just grab a paddler and explore away. If you don't have a partner, you can even do this alone. It's really super fun. Please do not miss this at any cost.
ये देखो, थोड़ा उधर उस तरफ चलते हैं ना. नहीं, इस तरफ ही पत्थरों के पास. आई थिंक कयाक से है ना इंडिया जा सकते हैं हम.
In Vietnamese, the name Ha Long means descending dragon. According to ancient legends, the islets appeared when a heavenly dragon's body parts fell into the water.
You a fish. Oh, she's a girl. She's a girl.
How was kayaking?
Oh, it was amazing. So difficult at first, but then it's
I'm
super easy.
I'm
Prabhat
getting.
is so strong. And he was sitting at behind, channeling the whole thing.
Yeah, it was little difficult. थोड़ा मुश्किल था. पर सुकृति को आती थी पहले से ही kayaking, तो उसने बहुत अच्छे से करी है. तो मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत सीख गया हूँ. काफी कुछ सीख गया हूँ.
हमने काफी कुछ देखा. फ्लाइंग फिश देखी, जेली फिश देखी, क्रैब्स देखे, अंदर तक गए थे में पूरे. It was awesome.
मुश्किल नहीं है. काफी लोग अकेले अकेले भी कर रहे थे. तो
बहुत
अच्छा.
इंडियंस भी थे जो अकेले आंटी कर रही थी.
वो नहीं आंटी पीछे है उधर.
Now it's time for swimming in another part of the bay, but we did not swim since it was super duper cold. We now head back to our ship for a sunset party on the ship's sun deck with local Vietnamese liquor and some refreshing fruits. We made a lot of new friends from all around the world here.
है.
मुझे ना बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है. मैं स्वीट
खा लो ना. Vietnamese fan.
We already After the party, it's time for another 5-course dinner at the restaurant. We're really sorry that we don't have great footage of this as we were busy chatting with our new friends during dinner.
Vegetarian soup. बहुत अच्छा है vegetarian soup. I just had it. So ये है वेज sweet potato salad. Wow. Show us how to make this. What is it?
Vietnamese spring roll. You take rice paper, then you take some pancake, spread it across, and then you take some veggies, fresh veggies, and then you roll it up. This goes back in. And there you go. Vietnamese spring rolls. You dip it in fish sauce. You eat it. So good. After a sumptuous and wholesome dinner, you can opt for the last activity of the day, which is squid fishing under the beautiful night sky. But as it was raining, we headed to our room for some shut-eye. As this vlog is getting too long, I will continue the next day of the cruise in part 2 of this vlog, where we'll be going into a subterranean cave on a bamboo boat, take a cooking masterclass aboard the ship, and take you on a tour of the cruise ship with complete expense information. As always, please like and share my video. If you like my content, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Ciao!